Hi everyone, it's Tatisha here. I had this braids in for about a month now and I'm really tired of it. I'm missing my afro, and not only that, just tired of the braids, and it's been damaging my hairline a lot, so I need a break from this braid. It's been a good while having, especially during summer. It was hot. Although it was so many, it was really nice to just tie my up and I not have to worry, especially on those hot days, about my hair. So yeah, I'm about to take it out now. I'm going to show you guys how I remove my braids, and I'm going to show you guys some of my tricks that I have learned throughout my natural hair journey on how to take care of my hair after I take my braids out. So yeah, enjoy the video. Comment down below if you have any suggestions, how you take your braids out. Tell me about your how you like braids, if you do use braids in a protective style, how long you keep yours in, and how you take care of it. So yeah, enjoy the video. It's not going to be long, and like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. So Voiceability is back. I just want to guide you guys through some of the steps that I took in order to make sure that my hair is well taken care of while taking out my braids. So I used my water bottle, and I just sprayed some water onto my hair, just to make sure that my hair is a bit loose in order to reduce the tension and just prepare it for the manipulation. So what I decided to do is to cut the front hairs, to cut my hair first, and ensure that I don't cut any of my actual hair, and you'll be able to see as I stretch my hair out where my hair starts. You can see the frizzy ends over there, and that's where normally I would just prevent cutting there. But I did notice at the back of my head I did cut some of my hair, but anyway. So you want to avoid, you can literally just see where your hair starts getting frizzy and where the braid ends, where your hair ends. It's easy to see when you're just busy cutting your hair, but be sure to be very careful during this process. I look like I'm going quickly, but I'm taking my time because this is like 4 times as fast as what I'm doing it in real life. So yeah, we'll just cut out my hair, my whole hair, and this will also allow me time to just like ensure that each braid is cut, and then I will go on and show you what I'll do next. So now I'm gonna tie up my hair with this stretchy pom-poms. I tied it up into 4 sections, and this allowed me to just ensure that I work in a systematic way, so I don't miss any of the braids, and also that I am able to see the braids while I'm taking them out. As you can see, my hairline is non-existent, guys, but we're not going to talk about that right now. So yeah, I just made sure that the back part and the front part, she took about took a smaller amount of braids and braided that with a small piece, and then she took the normal size braid and braided over. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to show you some of the hair, some of the sections where she did that, which is mainly like you can see there, that thin piece. So it was very difficult to get that thin braid out of my hair. It took ages, but I eventually got it done. So the back part, which you see, was broken off, which is not even broken off more, and the front section of my hair, she did that, where she took a smaller piece and then a bigger piece over that. So yeah, just watch this part. I'll be back soon. I'm gonna be moisturizing each section as I go along using this Shea by Design hair butter and moisturizing it and twisting it up and putting it away for when I eventually pre-poo and detangle my and shampoo my hair the next day. So that's one of the tips. Catching your hair. One is catching hair like strand by strand or braid by braid to ensure that you don't cut your own hair. Tying it up into little ponytails, and then as you go along you twist your way up and so that you know your hair is detangled, your hair is moisturized, and then you go and sleep your hair overnight or just for an hour if you want to do that, and then you be preparing it for your shampoo. And then the lighting changed because my camera died and I had to go and use my phone. But as you can see, it's a big time lapse because the most of my back hair is already done. But it might seem like a lot of time, but at the end of the day you're going to be noticing that it will make your wash day process much easier, because this is the first time you're washing your hair in about a month, some of you 2 months, so you need to make sure that you take well care of your hair. So I decided to keep my front hair, the front braids for last, in order to take my time with it, because it's really damaged and I'm looking at something so upset with myself for keeping it braiding for so long, because it's really done so much damage to my hairline. As you can see, I'm holding the top of the braid in order to not pull it too much, because you can literally see my roots on the braid itself, on the start of the braid, and that's when I noticed, okay, no, it's time to let this braid go. But so I just kept held on top of it to not let it pull too much, and I'll be taking this piece out now, but it was quite a difficult process getting out. But there you can see the thin braids that I had to go in and just remove as well. So I'm going to take out all of this and then flat twist the front in order to put it away, and now in order to allow it to keep it away basically from the rest of my hair, so I don't have to pull it as much. So now I'm done twisting up my whole hair away. I'm just using like a big chunk of that butter and just applying all over my into my scalp. Massaging it into my hairline. It's also good for promoting hair growth. And I'm using my natural hair growth oil from Shea by Design, applying that all over my scalp. It has some peppermint oil in there which also helps with hair growth, so I'm really lathering it all over my scalp and onto my hairline. So I'll be leaving this on overnight, putting on a plastic cap and my salt toque, and yeah, so I'll be rinsing it out tomorrow morning, shampooing my hair and just going about my wash day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you guys keep your hair after braids. Yeah, I have a long way to go with my hair, especially my hairline, in order to get it back to health, and I'll be taking you guys on a journey with me. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.